Hello, boys and girls. Welcome today. Uh, on Sunday, December the 26th, we have no newspaper. So I have decided to solve the rest of the puzzles in the Thursday of this Thursday edition, December the 23rd, 2021. I've just solved these two puzzles, the 1 star and the 2 stars. Now it's time for the binary and the tectonic one, but first we will solve this binary puzzle, boys and girls. This will be number 3886, I believe. Yes, 86. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8, a binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. 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 Then between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two 1s comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between two 1s comes an O. Between two O, double O. Here one, there one. Between two 1s comes an O. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between two 1s comes an O. Between two 1s comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Here we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Then. Between two 1s comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1 here, no, there, no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Now we need to compare, I think. Yeah. Well. Okay. Overlook this one. Between two 1s comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here, no, there, no. Between two O's comes an 1. Double 1, here, no, there, no. Between two O's comes an 1. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Finish in 4 minutes. Wow. No comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle in this additional of the Thursday edition. 8 tectonic with 1 star. See you then. Bye bye for now.